Data is a collection of all raw facts and figures. Any information, be it text,
determine whether a specific treatment has an effect on the individuals in a population data. So basically this hypothesis testing
So coming to the topics which and all I have covered till now with the help of Snehas and Biswasa. So he has taught me many things about data, about plotting graphs such as data science and visual.
Let us know what is probability in data science. A quick and clear overview